Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can make your own journal entries in the Zoho Books website. So what you are going to do is go on here on the left side and click on Accountant, and once you click on here you will see the part that says Manual Journals. Now once we click on Manual Journals, we'll click on Create New Journal, and as you can see here we have different things that we need to add. So as you can see here, you have the date, you have the journal number, which is added automatically, reference number, this is something that you will add, as well as the notes. Then journal type, you have here you need to add, so if you add cash-based journal, that means that this will appear only in the reports that are generated on cash basis. Then you add your currency, so the currency you are operating with, the account. So as you can see here, you have different options for what you need. The description, contact, and then debits and credits, and yeah, and as if you have some sort of an attachment, you can upload a file, and then once you are ready to finish, you will just click on save and publish, and that is it. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.